Wow. So it has been a while since I've done one of these things. I'm Ann Griffin. I am a product leader, product coach, um, AI product strategist. I do a lot of things, and this is the Product Mind Lab. And today we're talking about the revenge of Clippy. If you are too young to remember who Clippy was, is, who knows if they're coming back? Clippy was this little, I'll say, assistant in the Microsoft Office world that would pop up in the middle of you writing something in a Word document and would say, "Hey, it looks like you're trying to do this. Can I help you?" And Clippy got a lot of flack. A lot of people thought Clippy was kind of annoying, all up in your business, just showing up at inappropriate times. And Clippy's grandchildren are all over the internet now. And I'm not just making fun of chatbots in general, but there are a lot of chatbots that you go to the site, you're there for all of 3 seconds and it immediately pops up before you can even read, what is this site about? What is the product they're selling me? And it says, "Hey, can I help you?" And the best way for it to help me in that moment truly is to let me finish reading the web page. And so today I'm talking about, and you'll see also in the companion article about these chatbots. And I actually think chatbots can add a lot of value. There are a lot of really great things that they can do. And one of the first things that got me interested in learning more about AI in 2017 actually was actually going to a meetup that talked about chatbots. But now I think we immediately jump to chatbots, especially ones that immediately open without thinking about, what are the goals for this page? And are there other ways that we can also deliver value in addition to having a chatbot? And we have to be more creative in thinking about, are there things that need to be delivered through this interface in a way that make a lot more sense? One example is I used to work with a GovTech startup, and their default was like, "Hey, we want to create an AI writing assistant." Well, that's really great because people in government do have to write a lot of documents. And this was very aligned with this specific GovTech company was doing, or startup was doing. So it was like, great, you want to write an AI writing assistant. One of the challenges being chatbots are really small and they're off in the corner of a screen. And so if you are writing really long government procurement documents that smashes a lot of text that people have to read a lot of in a small little corner before they can add it to the page. And so there's things like this that we want to stop and think, is this the best interface and the most intuitive interface for our users to actually get the value they need out of what we're doing? And I say this because there are some things where people actually do want to chat and it is the easiest way for them to get the value on the page. However, there are times where that actually traps the value in there because people want this value to come to, they didn't come to this page to say, "Hey, it's a mystery. What's, what the information is," and they have to go digging in it in a chatbot for it, right? So having that division between what the AI can do integrated into the interface versus what are things that the chatbot can do to enhance this page are things that we need to delineate and better understand. So I hope you enjoy this article. I'm really excited about it, and I'm going through Clippy's revenge and how we can better think through chatbots. Also, I'm going to add, if you want to hear me talk more about this topic and more about different interfaces for AI and how you can pick the best interface depending on what you're trying to do, please come to this conference, AI in Production, this July in Asheville, North Carolina. I will be speaking. I will be giving a talk called "Avoiding the Chatbot Trap, Designing AI Interfaces That Unlock Real Business and Customer Value." So I hope to see you there and talk soon. Again, Product Mind Lab. And yeah, you know where to find me here on Substack. Bye.